Hello everyone, this is Emma from Sandal Group. Many thanks for the showing, because from the show I come to know many of the customers.
First time I know this market by attending this fair.
And we have been in this market for 15 years.
We sell in the Bangladesh market over 10 years.
We have been in this Bangladesh market for almost 20 years.
Our company have the plan to make the garment in here and also building the new dyeing factory in here.
This is a very good market. I think everybody will be enjoyed here.